Welcome back, guys. So this is another case study. You can see case study 6. So let's get into the video. You can see this is a website which is calculator uh, growwell.com. So basically, this is a single page blog where you just have to do a one time effort, and then I don't know why this circle is there, but let me remove this. So let me come up on the site, and then I'm going to show you what how it looks like. So this is the site calculatorgravel.com. So you can see P calculator, stone calculator, concrete calculator, construction calculator, and rock calculator. So these are the five calculators that this person have has created on this. And then this person has just, you can see, create a single page blog with content, and you can see some of the images, post calculation, and like you can say this is the content which you can easily create using AI tools. Also, I guess there is some sort of blogs. If I just click on this, so if you think that you can create a single page blog like these and create content around it, like what this calculator is about, different types of, you can say, Gravel and their applications. So this person is eventually talking about the calculator, and basically all of the those things that people are eventually searching on Google. So first, what you need is you need to research that what people are actually searching, and you have to create you have to create a calculator course. First you need to find a problem, and then you need to give the solution of that problem. So let me come on SMrush. So basically you can see this is monetize with Google AdSense, and this website is making good amount of money. So this is something which is which you can replicate. All you need is to just buy the domain name and research a little bit, like calculator grower, and you can use this tool SMrush. You can see, so here you can see the options, keyword overview. Click on keyword overview, and then type this keyword calculator gravel, or p calculator, strong calculator. You will get to see a lot of keywords, and then from there you will see what people are actually searching, and the search volume, competitor research, and keyword difficulty, all of those things in this area. But right now what I'm doing is I just wanted to copy this, and I want to see what are the pages, and what type of traffic, and from where the traffic is coming from, and how many backlinks this site has created. It takes a while to show you all of the content, all of the data. So you have to see each and everything. Just wait a little bit, and then it shows you everything. The authority score, organic search traffic, backlinks are 120, 182, and traffic is coming from US. So this person is making a good income. You can see the traffic from here, and scroll down. So the best thing is, from here you can see informational content and navigational, commercial, and transaction. These are the four things, four type of intents, but this person is focusing on informational content. You can see 84.4% of the content is informational, and commercial content is 12%. So right now what we need is to do is you need to go to top organic competitors and see. So basically this is not a single page blog, I would say, because I have discovered this blog section. So but at first I thought it is a single page blog, because you can see the calculators, and when a user come to this, they will eventually use this calculator, you can see. And this person has written content, and some of I guess uh, few of the blogs, because of the Google AdSense policies, because Google want to see the information on your blog. So for that sake, this person is doing that. You can also do it. It's a simple thing. All you need is to just create a strategy and first research the topic, research the keywords, and then you need to create a Google sheet, and then buy the domain and hosting, and then create content on that, create website. If you don't know how to create a website, or do comment, I'm gonna do comment, and I will help you create the website. Or I'm gonna make the video, or I'm gonna make a course on that if you want. So creating website is easy if you create multiple sites. So you can see these are the few keywords. Positions are 45 and 72, 69, 47. These pages are getting traffic, but not that much. So, and that's how you should be doing it. Here you can see the pages option. So click on this and then export all of the pages. You can see and go to just upload this. When you export this file, you will eventually get a CV uh, file, and then what you need is you need to upload that file into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create content on the keywords that you want to give to ChatGPT. So that's how you should be doing it. It's a replicatable, I guess. It is something which everyone can copy, and it's open, and it's so this is how you should be doing it. I hope this helps. If you have any question, or do let me know in the comments. Just ignore this circle. This is, I don't know why this is here. So sorry for this. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.